Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're stepping inside a hidden, almost alien universe, the dairy cow. So, let's start with a really profound question. How exactly does a cow digest all that grass? Well, prepare yourself, because the surprising truth is, they actually don't. We humans just pass cellulose right through, but inside cows, an entire microbial army ferments it. You see, neither of us produces the enzyme cellulase. Billions of microscopic bugs provide that missing key. This means a cow isn't just an animal. It's a highly complex, biological fermentation factory. Let's follow this living assembly line. Feed flows step by step through 4 incredibly specialized compartments. First up is the rumen. It's a massive, churning fermentation vat housing billions of microscopic workers. Next, the reticulum acts like a bouncer. It sorts feed and traps dangerous heavy objects, like nails. The journey continues into the omosum. Here, dense, leaf-like folds absorb crucial water and minerals. Finally, the abomosum. This is the true stomach, using acid to digest proteins and those microbes themselves. So here's the big takeaway. The cow doesn't digest the fiber. Those resident microbes do all the work. Fermenting without oxygen, these microbes excrete incredibly powerful byproducts called volatile fatty acids, or VFAs. Astonishingly, these microbial waste products actually supply up to 80% of the cow's entire energy needs. It's a brilliant evolutionary trade-off. The cow absorbs this microbial waste to literally fuel her own life. Which brings us to the golden rule of dairy nutrition. You absolutely must feed the microbes first. Raw feed goes to the microbes. They multiply, generate energy, and then they feed the cow. You're never just feeding one animal. You're managing a fragile, deeply symbiotic ecosystem of 2 living systems. Mess with this delicate balance, and you'll trigger a devastating chain reaction of clinical system failures. You're literally looking at a walking microbial universe. But how they harness that immense power, that's up next.